Rutugusa emyeto omur district ya Shema barabwirwe okucendezo buyayi hamwe na nofere baba nibenda kutunguka.
Ebyo nabigambirwe nyomwe bazyo amukoro gukuhendera rutayaro rw'ekitongore kya Ripple Effects abayambire mnyeto kurenga 15 mu district ya Shema umukoro gwibira Harsenevin Gardens umur kabwohe ogwe barakuvugana abakozi ba government hamwe n'aba cancer mu district ya Shema.
Most of the government programs that we have in the district and in the government that includes the youth, we have had issues with them. Be it yoga, be it youth livelihood, be it everything that they. Because for them, once you give them cash, you'll never see them again. They have different other plans. They want to buy smartphones, they want to buy nice clothes. I do not think that we have Yoga Circle, which is still existing and is for the youth. I don't think it's there. So we have issues with them, and I told you that time when you came that you have to keep an eye on them.
Umwezi wa Radisa wa district ya Shema kanubira y'umujyi mukuru agarukire yarabura bakine ntekateka ya kare ngo basimuke.
These days when someone is doing anything to do with the hands, they think you have failed, they think you don't have a future, they think you are neglected, you know all that. But now the people who have the money are those who are in that kind of work. So we must encourage them, to inform them that even the jobs, the white collar jobs are few.
And they have a qualification. It means we equip them with our skills. Then after we support them with a startup to start business in our project.
Business plans, natural to chavo, oku business eshemerire kutandika na no kujurwaninga. Tuba supportinga omukora business plans ezo kugira ngo bamanye profitability areas za business zabo. Tabo koshemerire kutandika business utakumanya ko era atambule kandi utakumanya n'amagoba goliheho.
If you put them to good use, you will achieve much. We know what normally happens in our villages when we have redundant youth. Like now during the coffee harvest period, the people they are running after, I'm sure 75% of those that they run after are youth. So when they are engaged, then you have solved that problem.
Bamumba yambirwe ekitongore kya Ripple Effects nibagira ngo bakaba batura baferirwe. Gasha kwa Maiko atwachire.
Maiko atwachire ntugumizamo na namakuru kasasiro erwanise barano ababiri omucyaro cya Nyangahya omuri Central Division ekirugirireho abantu babiri hamwe na n'umwana w'emyaka 2 okutungo obukutabwe mihoro.
Barano abarwanira obukuka ihembe ahabwa kasasiro nabo mu cyaro cya Nyangaya mu municipality ya Masindi kandi aba ni Maureen basemera hamwe na Moses Nsubuga n'umukazi wa Aisha Chomuhendo. Nekigambwa ngo abatungira obutikirizana ekirugiriremo kurwana barukwejo nisemuhoro hamwe n'emihini. Umukurwano ku bahutariza umwana w'emyaka 2 hamwe na Moses Nsubuga n'umukazi we.
Mwana wange ayenda mkuru msana na walo bado mwana w'emyaka 2 bagwayo musikali munakaku nako mutu bati no mnyanya nyowe niwe bawo
basemera yajja yagamba kwako taba muntu mukuru ebe bisasiro kole byekonya bagamba ana bisasiro mu bisire waitu mulekera okukora okusensa nebisasiro ngeze kurora omutabanyi ubeta umaru naturuka enju nekipanga na mu burunguzo ati nyowe mu kwetasa nyagaruka enyuma ati umaru aine kipanga nyina yaha kumuswakiza muteme nyafuna chance nyakwataki ikiso kyansarasara mu na hano
kyonka mbege nijunira batatuma ango wange ati oli mkumke kipanga nyo natekayo nti mukono tamutera kyonka mpaka yakora yamurondera mutere ati namwesengereza namugamba kyali omwana tatera ango wange yansindika yansamba mugere gwange
tukozire twaterera polisi ya Jasin yali kavaringaho omwigo omuhini okozesebwe kutera gwina nesagama yagwe exhibitinga gule ha fairo ha police Nyangai then OC atera OC station CPS Masindi police baija obayizire hairwaro twabasobora mbere bayireho bagen twabagamba we need this person arrested for safe custody kuba tumanye community egenda kuhondeza hoki babantu beriro mujuju bakungana bagambira omukazi onatwihire hara nganana za kamara emyaka ihi mwenda ni bakayana ni bakora kini bajumangana over what they were land grudges
bamwe mu batura batira rubanja haro basemera obarukwenda ngo afurica rw'omu cyaro cyabo abahutazi bori hakutunga ubujanjabi kandi twagizeho no kugamba n'umugamirizo wa polisi abo cyangwa cya Albertine kunga bambetu twabasa gasha kwambrozo nwagaba katoto
Ambrose nwagaba katoto murebo ati Vesto Murunje ni ngusima aho kuturebera kandi we barena no kutorana okureba TV West studio makuru Ageihangwe gongo nchirize mbase kwa ni mpomura okache ningaruka na makuru gandi
Oyu no mukuru nkembaga AGM za sako graduations emipira nenkunga nezindi noyenda ngo abantu bazilebe live ninga shobutunu aha TV West utaferwa mu gishogu ubwo hati TV West nebasa kwereka omukoro gwawe aha kabeyi akacendezibweho live ninga shobutunu tukirire aha office zitu omuri Boma Mbarara ninga oteresi meji ya notina ikomenina ashatu nishatu nshanju not TV West nehinda.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Today we are at Lukman Primary School that's located in Kauku, Bwerenga, right by the lakeside. We have a happy customer who paid for her daughter's school fees. Nuru wano muwanguzi era agenda kusoma guno mwaka gonna MTN Momo esasudde yo akolegwa akusoma.
Ngasasula bitundu nendeta nensasulako nasigala nga babanja natuko okuwumula nga tannamalayo banankita bibadde byangu nemwebale nnyo mwebalira mpulira ng'essanyu limpitidde naye mpulira ate kati nga kaba bukaabi mu mutima mwebale nnyo mwebalidde kula nga nze muwanguzi nakonde nnooku.
Dial *165 *80 hash. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You are now entered a draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
Omushango kuna kuretera nugogo ngokuwa hurra. Kira biroko kurebo. Ya kwata mwana wanje mazima umwana wo mushyo mwana muto mwana wishomero. Ya mkwata ya mtwara mushugu omhi kondo. Omushuma wenkoko omushuma wembu. Ogo kuregatira gwiroko. Ogo wandebaho tera kuretira we no jango bingamana biye no wandebaho ahwe tikumanya no na kureti kumanya tena kwerebera ogo kureba ogo yamwihamka owanje omwana yeza kurgata ishomero ogo kureba azagambe byo kumanya ahwe kida kubimanya onyesura musazi ko kwana ndeba obunani mutwara wandebaho nyo kiragwire nyo wandebaho asa kiragota kampa kanisa kagamba bingi gamba mazuma ni otakampa kanisa kiragwire kagambe pama bya kware waro na mutwara mugongo ninga najena mukwasi yo kumakuwa mutwara nakujango takamba kanisa kambe pama byao nimanye pama byao vingi reko takamba kanisa kanisa
Gishweketi ihanga rya Uganda niryeja kombeka amabiciro g'ibyakare ombyanga byona okwera beji ogwetegereza iby'ubuhangwa hamwe na n'ibyijisyo. Uganda kurangira ngo neja kombeka amabiciro g'ibyakare okuhamiza kukoza urwo Uganda yigisira hansi yona okuzizoba rya International Museum de 2025. Omukoro gw'ihanga ryona gukorirwa muri district ya Kabale. Omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro go kandi uri minister w'ihanga habwe ibyo burambuzi Magara Martin Bahinduka ayerekera ko government inentebekanisa eyo kutungura za museum obwera kuzombe ko mbyanga bitaro bimwe na bimwe.
The government of Uganda through the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities has planned to construct museums in all regions of Uganda by 2030. This is because museums are education laboratories. In the current education curriculum, primary school children and students from secondary and tertiary institutions must visit museums as part of the requirements to attend their learning objectives.
Bahinduka shabira abanya-Uganda okukozesa emigisha y'ibintu by'oburambuzi okwetungura.
I want to encourage, I've seen the mayor here, encourage the local leadership, work with other departments, that the sites that were not captured in the second schedule can be captured in this schedule. I also therefore call upon the private sector players to invest in the development of the untapped tourism resources in the region, especially around Ekumutanda, Ageihangwe, Anunga and other places within Kigezi region.
At the moment, we have got in place a new law, the Museums and Monuments Act 2023. If yes, we thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, the Cabinet, and the entire legislature for the support in passing this law into an act.
Wemaze sugorora omwambaro kutungura eby'oburambuzi mu ihanga ashabira abazire okwegesa abana baba habyakare.
Ari kugira ngo kibareze mu Kampala no kumanya sensi yona ngo Kigezi n'ibiciro n'ibintu ibyakare kandi ibya Western yona. Tukati twagala okuburira abaana abato ebyo batumye mu bukize ate twagala okwogerera abazadde kandi nimwe abasire muhurre mukole nnyo mufeeyo nnyo okutwala abaana bano balabewo bwe twafa mutwala abaana banyu bamanye bibalukire.
And for choosing Kabale, that means Kabale has reached somewhere as far as tourism is concerned. That's why we are looking forward to having a tourism city.
Ahabwo mwaka ugu ekirekeje guzibwa hansi y'omutwe the future of museums in rapidly changing communities. Amakuru agagasha kwa Job Namanya na Gilbert Muhanguzo muri Kabale. Mwebara abanyamakuru bitu ekigambo infections ni kimwe aha bagambo ebirukukira kugamberwa abazire na munonga abakazi nk'endwara ey'abaana barukurwara munonga konka bashaho nibaraburangwa abantu bareke okubuzabuzibwa infections zitera endwara.
Bakizire kwetomba kurwara munonga kw'abana babo kandi buri kuza kulaguza nibagambirwa ngo umwana arwire infection. Abashaho bingi nibagira ngo infection itera indwara ngo konka n'obukoko oburi kureta endwara mu bana.
Kigambo infection kitegeeza omwana alina obuwuka mu mubiri obuvaako obulwadde. Ekyo kugezesa waliwo obuwuka bwetuyita viruses, waliwo obuwuka bwetuyita bacteria, waliwo obuwuka bwetuyita fungus, waliwo obuwuka obulala bwetuyita parasites. So omwana bw'afuna obuwuka obumu ku ebyo ebika byenjogedde ebina tugamba omwana ali infected ne germs. Naye abasinga bw'omugamba omuzadde nti omwana wo ali infected ne bacteria adde bali n'agamba bangambye omwana wange alina infections.
Kiwaryanga nagira ngo zimwe ndwara zirukureta obukoko obu obw'abantu bingi barukweta infection ni byingi nko kwari kubishoborora.
Obwo katugezesenga fungus buvaako ebisente ebiguuna omwana asobola n'okukolola naye nga kukabwa fungus abamu ne bafuna amabwa nga tegawona nga naye bukabwa fungus then waliwo ne bw'osanga ng'afunye omulalama naye nga guva ku buko obwa fangasi naddala abalina omubiri gwabwe nga guwedde amaanyi nga balina akawuka ka siriimu, then n'abalala bosanga bali ku ddagala ery'amaanyi ng'erya chemotherapy basobola okufuna obuko obwa fangasi. Naye buli komoni mu baana abato kuba omubiri gwabwe amaanyi gaabwe gaba gakyagula.
Abantu bagira ngu obumwe bubonero obw'omwana arikworeka harimu omuswija, okubura amaanyi hamwe n'ebindi.
Omwana abadde azannya asobola okuyongobera n'agonda, asobola okulemwa okulya, asobola okukolola, asobola okukuma omuliro bwe guyitirira, asobola okwesika obuke bumugenda ku bwongo, asobola actually okwesika n'afuna omulalama. Then bwe buba nga buno obuko obumala ebbanga omwana asobola okuba nga takula bulungi.
Abalala ojja ssanga infection webeeruddemu nnyo nga bbanga gwangu, abamu bagwamu n'omusaayi nabalaba ng'omwana alinga ayeruse nnyo ekitali kya bulijjo. Abaana abamu ojja kwesanga bw'aba ayogera ojja kugamba oba omutwe gunnuma oba bwebanga omusulo nga gwe gulina ng'obuzibu bulinga mu kufuuyisa akugamba bwe nfuuyisa mpulira omusulo gunjokya.
Ogu nagira ngu obukooko buno bureetwa omu miringo mingi otiireho n'omwana ku bw'iyarina omu bwire bw'okumuzaara.
Oluusi nga mba n'abaana abawere abakazaalibwa ziva wantu wangi. Emu ku bo esobola okuba nga maama yawadde omwana ng'ayise ng'omwana akyali munabaana neesala neetuuka ku mwana omusaayi gwe. Infection endala esobola okuba wano mu kuzaala. Maama bw'aba tugambe abadde n'infection eri wansi omwana gy'ayita, omwana mu kumuzaalisa asobola okufuna obuwuka obwo.
Abaana bahabura baziire okukola byona ebiri kubasika okurinda omwana okurwara endwara zikureeta obukooko obu.
Balinda infection ekisooka abaana baffe bonna bwe tuba tubazadde ne gye beeyongera okukula tugamba tugemese abaana. Okugemesa abaana bano kubayamba okukingiza endwadde zino ezijja, kuba endwadde zino ezisinga era bwe bw'obuuka bwe tubadde twogerako.
Ekiwere twasooka tugamba omusaako ekiwere ekinyogoga, then research n'eraga omusaako ekibuguma. Kati tugamba ekiwere tekirina mugaso ekikulu kuba omwana wo ajjanjabwe nga bukyali mu kifo ky'okwonoona obudde omusaako ekiwere.
Okurugira abahandiiko endwara ezirikureetwa infection niziteganisa abaana bato abari hagati y'omwaka gumwe n'emyaka 5 kandi abaana abari hagati y'emyaka 5 kusyara 10 nibo barikutunga obujanjabi ahabwa endwara ezi. Gashakwa Edison Kinene.
Edison Kinene n'azagaruka mpumulewo kake ningaruka n'amakulu g'ebyemizaano.
Olwakabiri
omukuri sente harimu ebizibu byingi, harimu endwara, harimu season ey'ente zikusharamu zikakwima amate okagira sente kakwima amate ente zirumude andi nikibaho obumwe obutakimanyire konka oshanga obundi wahindura amuriisa obundi kebe nenywa amaizi 5 hata owazaho yagiga hasha 6 mbwene yekyanga nakyo ekyo kibe ekizibu eky'amaani ekinsingire muno man power abariisa beberebi tibakikanya ngira buri muriisa w'ente nakimanga okutunga omuntu ow'okuba aine aha faamu tukyorobi kandi nibijana na challenge omuba wamutrainingire ate certain level yakwasire hata hagaruka hija ondija atari kubimanya hata oshanga oriya yakukwata kugaruka ha level eriya nikiba kyatwire obwire naye egyo ni challenge mpango muno.
Oyu n'omukuru nk'embaga AGM za Sacco, graduations, emipiira n'enkunga n'ezindi. Noyenda ngu abantu bazilebe live ningashi butunu aha TV West utaferwa mu gishogu obwa hati TV West nebasa kwereka omukoro gwawe aha kabeyi akacendezibweho live ningashi butunu. Tukirire aha office zitu omuri Boma, Mbarara ninga otere simeji eya notina 14 3 nshanju not TV West nehinda
tandikiza bakurunji na simuka program aha TV West. Twegiteho okurugo rukubanza okwisirwa katano okutandika na shahe mweza kasheshe aha TV West oboro kutunga ebiri kugarura mu mujinya okumanya n'ebindi bingi.
imwe mutense umuringo gwanyo ko himuri kugira ngo bundi tukaje utakubasa kutambira tukaje twakubasa kwihaho
urukubanza nitubane tuganira habiragiro nebyo bwegese ebyino mugashahariwe urwa kabiri nitubatuye n'abahangu abari kutwegesa ahabimishuburo ne sente ebyakubasa kongera mani mu rugendo rwawo rubukozi urwa kashatu nitubatuye n'abahumuriza abari kugaruza imitima yitombuteka hamwe no kugonjora inshonga z'amaka
omuntu okuba w'amaani ningashi w'omunyeto ku buryo w'amaani izina n'oryekora kandi izina ryo kwekora ry'omunyeto izina ryo niryo rukweto wakuze
urwakana nituganira by'ubutegetsi hamwe n'ebitwihinguririze ebyakubasa kwinura ihanga ryitu eriri kwesimisa kandi urwakatano nitwendere sande n'amashemererwa ubwo turi kuhereza amakuru agari kubanegashemeza twegiteho aha TV West buri kasheshe shaha emwe
Otaferwa.
Hello, my beautiful people. I got it. Yeah, this is your girl, the beautiful one, Lala the Vibe with.
Nalomishye Simba GK aka the one kantija kubizusya ngo tuti ni home shonji
program
okurugari yake
Monday to Friday rokubanza pakora katano
shaha mshanje nechweka mpaka
shaha mwenda zo mwihangwe.
Yes, aho kubano shake shongora kori kwenda tukakakuterera ntuturu butono ninga shiki
live
aha TV we
kandi twakwiraho na vibe.
Yes.
Hey,
we love you so much. Stay tuned to Bakunda.
Bye bye.
Oyine cyo kwenda kumanya habikwatirine nebyo buhinji no burisa
kureka yo muhogo negoba ako ico yayo wabayihereze kubyara no kwiha mu mwata ukargara muhogo yekakora utukashatura nuguza
buri rwa kabiri shaha ishatu necwe kaziciro nituba twinire programmeji eri kwegesa uko wakubasa kwejumbiro mbyo buhinji no burisa kandi ukabasa kwetungura
hatege nayo aha ezente santurambura hatizine kamanda ugo ni kamanda wazo hati no kwijana kubone jane iwe twabata kubasa kuja kugikaro gato kwiriya kandi kitwegesa abantu ente yabe humwireho niyabane koreka ngo ine amagara marungi
uko kure abantu abo kukiro wingi ibitoke mbatezo butoke buke abo kugira ngo baba tareberaje munonga ecyoko cyatera hari amahuri garagamo ibinyogori ebyo nibambiriye munonga byaza kukakura bishisha ingingo kwa ne twari byo kurya kuriya banje banje byo kurya batakizayo so tarafuteza ubutoke tine mutwe nacyo n'ekintu cyukuru munonga nkitungo ryona niryetaga kurubera ukamanya ntenko ko yanje ji yarya yanywa kiyanywa yanyweta
program n'ubundi no burisa umuherezo wawe ndi Ivan Tsim
ombere kwije juba
bakwa no wakwa abetse bina
wakora omuntu bakazanyije
bakapira mutindi boroku ito ndakibinaje tsimbashe bitwaro mukaga ekena ko eji bracket yakugamu bas ahantu waka warambwe no wawe ndi kuca mushango hagati yawe n'umukazi wawe ubwo bushobozi ko tabwine iwe wabwiya waruhanga wabumugana kahemanya kora ruhanga ndagamara ubisana tuva bashaka bari minonga ya
Ageihangwe by'emizano timu y'abakaze ya Chelsea ehendire season kurungi erukuhangura ekikopo cha kashatu mu season egi bwanyuma yo kusinga Manchester United na goals 3-0 okutwara ekikopo cha FA Cup. Chelsea eherize kusingura na league hamwe na League Cup kandi ati esinjire na ekikopo cha mukaga echa FA Cup.
Kerr, of course, missed the whole season. In comes the Baltimore cross. Headed away. Partially. Oh, that's a penalty. That's a penalty. Manchester United will protest Salim Bisset to give Chelsea the lead. Last minute of the half. Sandy Baltimore puts the goalkeeper the wrong way. It's Chelsea 1, Manchester United 0. It's been coming really because they've squeezed and squeezed, and the Manchester United have effectively rolled their dice with the substitutes, and Chelsea clinch the FA Cup with Caterina Macario, their super sub, heading home with 6 minutes to go. Galton trapped back, she's put Sandberg under pressure. Chance here for Chelsea. Ball deep into the penalty area, looking at Baltimore, and she's poked it in. It's over now. Their second of the game. Billy Bright lifts the silver trophy into the London sky. The ticker tape falls. The colour of Wembley turns blue. The smiles grow wider and wider. The arms pump, the players dance. The fans celebrate. The message is congratulations to Lauren James out injured.
Agongo makuru aguna basa kusyaho kandi wabanaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa makuru agandi Serena na Jaga kuletera arsha ibiri zechiro ninkwendezi zo barunzi.
MTN Momo introduces Yinvesta, a convenient way to make your money work for you. Customers can invest as low as 1,000 Uganda shillings, earn daily interest, and withdraw their savings anytime they want. Simply follow these steps. Dial *165#, select option 7, Invest and Insure, select option 1, Invest with Momo, then select option